Hey, this Shantae Tepilation, and today we trying the Stylist Collection Ponytail Net. It said you can make your own ponytail, easy and affordable way to make your own ponytail. Create your own ponytail. Why I keep saying the same thing? But create your own ponytail with this stretchy netty mesh, complete with the drawstring, small or short hair, 5x5 inch. So this is it. We're gonna unbox it. And I'm going to do it right here with y'all. So, here we go. As you can see on the back, they have different kinds you can buy. But this is for if you want to make a ponytail. Look at this. Now, I've seen some people hand make this, but it's dope how they got it, you know, already made for you. You can just buy it. It has the drawstring on it so you can make it tighter. So what you do, you either crochet some hair on this net right here, or you sew in some hair, glue in some hair, or whatever that floats your boat. You can pretty much put this in a ponytail, make a bang out of it. So I might do both. I might make a ponytail out of it and turn around, make a bang out of it. We'll see. But stay tuned to see what I'm gonna do with this. Bing. And it have 2 bonus spring combs. So where's my combs? There we go. They got 2 combs where you can, I guess, sew it on either side so it can attach to your hairstyle. Alright, there you have it. Ponytail net for your next ponytail.